Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today what we're going to be doing is this super quick chit chat get ready with me, more of an everyday makeup look. So if you are interested in this makeup look and how to achieve it, super simple, it's my everyday look. Okay, so I'm just gonna do like a typical makeup look. I am gonna be trying out some new products today. Except for my primer, I'm just gonna be using the same primer in my Cover FX. And so I did go ahead and do my eyebrows with my typical dip brow pomade. But today I'm super excited because I'm gonna be trying out the Beauty Blender foundation. And I am in the shade 2.3. I am going to be trying out this new beauty blender. Oh my god, I love new beauty blenders. Because they just like, it's so exciting to have a new beauty blender. But this is the Morphe beauty blender and I heard it's really good. And it's actually not expensive at all. It was like $7 I believe at Ulta. So I'm super excited to try this out. And this new foundation. So this foundation does feel a little bit more on the full coverage side. And it feels a little bit, I needed to pin my forehead back, feel a little bit thick, not so watery. It's definitely more thicker on the thick side, but I just kind of put a lot on. So let's go ahead and blend that out. I'm gonna use this side. And this beauty blender, it's really nice. Wow. You know how beauty blenders eventually with time they get a lot smoother also. So even though at the beginning it's still a little bit not very dense, it will get like more dense over time. So you just gotta use it more often. Super squishy right away, but look at, it's pretty squishy. Okay, just takes a while. I really like foundations to have a yellow undertone because my skin is yellow. So I don't like the foundation to have a pink tone. And this foundation looks good. It's pretty full coverage. It's pretty full coverage. I just feel like maybe with a brush or a different beauty blender would have applied better. Maybe my usual beauty blender that's already really squishy would have applied it better, but this one actually did a great job. I just want to try it with a brush. I usually like to try my full coverage foundations with a brush. Okay, so next, new thing. Guess what it is? You'll never guess. It's the High Coverage Creamy Concealer and Cotton Candy. The HUDA Beauty Concealer. What? This is in the shade Cotton Candy. I already said that. Why am I repeating myself? Why am I repeating myself? Anyways, I love this applicator. Like, look at that. Oh my god. I love watching videos of girls putting this on. So let's try it out. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit. Oh snap. And I heard this concealer, I have high expectations because I heard that this concealer is better than the Tarte Shape Tape because it's not as drying. It doesn't have a smell to it, so I don't really like it when it smells like anything. But wow, it looks pretty creamy so far. It doesn't feel drying yet. So I'm gonna use this side of the beauty blender. And this is why I like this beauty blender, because like you can really get under your lash, under your bottom lash lid. Okay. Wow, this actually is not dry at all. Like it just feels nice. Wow. Wow, I love it. It doesn't, you know how the Tarte one, like it instantly dries up on your face? This one, it does not. That is pretty amazing. That is pretty amazing how it's not drying at all. Oh my god. Let me show you guys. You see that? You see that? It's actually very nice. Okay, so next to contour, I'm going to be trying this. I think I already tried it, but I'm going to do it again. The Wet n Wild contour. Just going to do some quick contouring here. Your nose. Under your lip. Right here. Let's see how well it performs. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I was taking biotin pills for my hair to grow, and I feel like they actually worked, but a really big con is that they were breaking me out, and girl, if it's giving me acne, peace out. I don't want it. I'd rather be bald. Just kidding. No, that's not true. But yeah, it was giving me really bad acne on my forehead, like little bumps. Like the pimples wouldn't actually come out. Well, they would come out obviously because I could see them, but you wouldn't be able to pop them. Like they wouldn't turn into whiteheads. So yeah, it was just like a lot of little bumps on my forehead. So I just stopped using them. It was a natural. They're called natural biotin, 5,000 milligrams, but I was taking 2 of those. So maybe that's why it was breaking me out. Because technically you're supposed to take 5,000, but I was taking 10,000 because I was trying to get my hair to grow ASAP. And Hula Beauty Bronzer. My Hula bronzer. Over my contour. And for me, this would be like an everyday makeup look, you know, honestly. Except for the contour stick. I really wouldn't do that. But I would just contour my face. Blush and contour are probably my favorite makeup things. Actually, and concealer. I just love that highlighted look. So, actually, I don't know what's my favorite. What's your favorite? What's the most exciting thing about your makeup? Probably mine is foundation. Because, you know, you just change, obviously. 05, this one right here. And like I said before, I love Milani products. I will be doing a drugstore makeup tutorial. Drugstore favorites or makeup tutorial on my channel. Coming up soon. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. And this blush gives you like a luminous, it's like really nice. I like to apply some blush a little bit on my forehead and my nose, just so it looks a little more natural. Okay, favorite setting powder, I will not change. Whoa, what's up with all this nonsense over here? Okay, and I'm not really gonna bake my face today. I just want to set my makeup. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe setting spray. I'm drowning. And I'm actually going to be using my Tarte highlight. Actually, I changed my mind. No, actually I am gonna use this Tarte highlight on my nose. I'm just gonna do a really subtle highlight. And I'm going to apply some with my finger in the corner of my eye and my brow. And that's it. I don't really want any color on my lips today. So I'm just going to go in with my Pink Mint Mental Lip Tint. And I got this at Bath and Body Works. It smells so good. It smells like mint. So, you know, so you could kiss someone. Just kidding. But it's just a very like glossy lip gloss. Lips look a little bit white because of the foundation. But you know what? I don't really care. I just want my lips to look moisturized. So do not forget to like this video and subscribe. Also turn your post notifications on in order to know when I upload again. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.